So now let's see how we can work around with data analysis and report AI inside of ChatGPT. So to work around with data analysis and report AI, first of all, you need to go to Explore GPTs right here and then type in, let's say for example, data analysis right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and type in, let's say, and right here, and I'm going to say report AI as well. So let's just go around onto report AI right here, and now it is searching up for that plugin. And over here you can see that data analysis and report AI is an option right here. So it helps out analyze out patterns as we want. So let's say for example I can go around and ask it by giving it details, or I can actually ask it to take some data from the internet. Let's say for example I can say make a chart of gold prices price prediction for the next 20 years right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that it says predicting gold prices over long periods such as 20 years requires considering various economic factors, and you can see that it tells all of the steps right here. Like first of all, it says it'll collect out the historical data, then we'll analyze the factors influencing gold prices, and then we'll do the model selection, model training, and visualization right here, just like this. And you can see that it is using Python code to actually execute out all of these right here. And then you can see that this is what you have. So it says, would you like to proceed with any specific steps, or would you like any particular requirements? So I'm just going to go around and say just proceed right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says let's proceed right here. So it will go around and collect out the historical data, analyze out the factors, and you can see that it is importing out everything right here, just like this, using the Python code. You don't actually need to understand the code. It'll simply execute it out, and then I will simply give you the results right here. So it is collecting some data right here of the previous gold prices and so forth. So it says, would you like to process with the running the code, or do you need further assistance? So I'm just going to go around and just run the code right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it starts analyzing, as you can see right here, and it simply takes a bit of time. And then you can see that this is what you have right here. So the next step, it is providing the details right here, and then this is what you have. So this is the chart for the gold price for the next 20 years, as you can see right here, and it has explained the the data as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is the historical data around over here from 2000 to let's say for example 2024, and then it is predicting the future, as you can see right here as we go along right here. There's a REMA forecast right here, an exponential smoothing forecast over here, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have, and you can see that these are the gold prices right here, just like this, according to how you want. So that is how you can go around and utilize the data analysis and report AI to collect data online from existing data, or you can give your own data as well if you want to, and then generate out reports out of it. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.